Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by enabling virtualization in BIOS, because without VTX or AMDV, the VM won't run. Once done, download a Windows 10 ISO and choose VirtualBox, VMware Workstation, or Hyper-V. Pick one and create a new VM profile. You'll assign at least 2 CPU cores, 4 GB of RAM, and a 50 GB virtual disk. Then point the VM's optical drive to the ISO. Make sure networking is set to NAT for internet during install. You boot the VM from the attached ISO and proceed through the Windows 10 installer. Choose language, custom install, and let it create partitions automatically unless you need a specific layout. Once Windows finishes, install the VM's guest editions or VMware tools to get optimized graphics, shared clipboard, and seamless mouse integration. Then configure network, NAT, or bridge depending on access needs, enable snapshots so you can revert, and set display/resolution to match your monitor for crisp visuals. You finish by running Windows Update and activating Windows, then install drivers and antivirus as you would on a physical machine. After a clean first boot, take a snapshot so you can roll back if something breaks. Configure shared folders and clipboard permissions to move files safely between host and guest. If you encounter boot or performance problems, check the ISO checksum, ensure VTX/AMDV is still enabled, and try disabling Secure Boot in the VM settings. This resolves most startup issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.